Good morning, my dear student. Today we will make a small revision on volume. Number 1, we will talk about solids. What is a solid? Solid is any object that occupy a room in the space. Example for this solid, cuboid and cube. Cuboid, it is a solid which has 6 faces. All of these are rectangle and has 12 edges and has 8 vertices. But cube is a solid which has 6 faces. All of these are square, 12 edges and 8 vertices. What's the meaning of volume? Volume is the number of units which a solid consisted of. It's a number of units which a solid consisted of. It's called volume of the solid. What is the unit used for measuring volume? Unit used for measuring volume is cubic kilometer, cubic meter, cubic decimeter, cubic centimeter, cubic millimeter. 1 cubic kilometer equal 1 milliard cubic meter. 1 cubic meter equal 1000 cubic decimeter. 1 cubic decimeter equal 1000 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter equal 1000 cubic millimeter. To convert a large unit to a smaller one, you have to multiply. But when you convert a smaller unit to a larger one, you have to divide. Complete. 120 cubic decimeter equal how many cubic centimeter? From cubic decimeter to cubic centimeter multiply by 1000 equal 120,000. Number 2, 6,500 cubic decimeter equal how many cubic meter? To convert from cubic decimeter to cubic meter, divide by 1000 equal 6.5. Put a decimal point after 3 digits. 8,200 cubic millimeter equal how many cubic centimeter? To convert from cubic millimeter to cubic centimeter, divide by 1000 equal 8.2. 3 cubic meter equal how many cubic millimeter? To convert from cubic meter to cubic millimeter, multiply by 1 milliard equal 3 milliard. 2.1 cubic centimeter to cubic millimeter multiply by 1000 equal 2100. The last one, 2,580,000 millimeter cube or cubic millimeter. To convert it into cubic meter, divide by 1 milliard equal 0.00258. Put a decimal point after 9 digits. Volume of cuboid. The rule of the volume of cuboid, remember with me, volume equal length times width times height, and the other rule, volume equal base area times height. If you want height equal volume divided length times width, or volume height equal volume divided base area. So height equal volume divided length times width, height equal volume divided base area. Let's start to solve a different question. A cuboid-shaped swimming pool of dimensions 50 meter, 12 meter, and 4 meter. If 210 meter cubic of water were poured in it, then the height of the water is, he asked about the height. Height of the water equal volume of the water divide length and or times width of the swimming pool. Put the volume of the water is 210 meter and the length of the pool 50, width of the pool is 12, so equal 0.35 meter. To convert it into centimeter, multiply by 100 equal 35. Another question, which is greater in volume? A cuboid with dimension 30 centimeter, 25 centimeter, and 40 centimeter, or another cuboid of base area 12 decimeter squared and height 1.5 decimeter. Volume equal length times width times height. 30 times 40 times 25 equal 30,000 centimeters squared. volume of the other cuboid, base area times height, 12 times 1.5 equal 18 decimeter cubic. To compare between the two cuboids, we must put them in the same unit. To convert 18 decimeter cubic to centimeter cubic, multiply by 1000 equal 18,000. So the first cuboid is greater than the second cuboid. Another question. A cuboid of a volume 702 cubic centimeter and a height 13 centimeter. Then its base area equal. He asked about the base area, so I will write the rule. Base area equal volume over height. 712 divide 13 equal 54 centimeter squared, or square centimeter.